Hey folks, literally just minutes ago we got the word that we've got a shelter in place here in North Carolina. Apparently we can only do essential things like go to grocery stores and maybe play golf. That was one of the things. I don't know. Anyhow, the good news is that our business started in a garage, and so we're just going to kind of distribute everybody back to garages. We've actually been talking about this over the last 2 weeks, so we've got a plan in place. For us, it's kind of like business as usual, just spread out a little bit more.
Yes, absolutely. So we have people going into the garages to make and craft rings. It's still going to be the same high quality rings that you guys have expected. We have our office teammates working in their homes, keeping up with all the things like live chat. So here's the things that you need to know. We're doing our best to meet your guys' expectations, that we can get the rings to you on time, and that everything is still operating the same as far as on the website. So please contact us through live chat. You can contact us from our phone. We're actually going to take our business phone and roll it over to our home so that we can answer questions from our house.
Any time of day, apparently.
Yes, any time of day, apparently. That's how important you guys are to us. And also that you can get in touch with us at team@rusticandmain.com. So you have 3 ways: the phone, live chat, and email, that you guys can get in touch with us. Also be expecting to see emails coming through that will let you know that your order is being made, that your order, you'll actually see a really cute email that will tell you who's making your order, and then you'll actually get an email that is being shipped from one of our locations. We have 3 homes that we're taking our shipping stuff to, and we're going to ship from there. Know that we're trying our best to keep you guys safe too, so ring sizers are being sprayed with Lysol before they're sent out to you guys. Everybody's been instructed to try to follow the safe protocols, and if anybody on our team has any symptoms, they won't be allowed to participate in our efforts to stay business as usual. So we're looking forward to being able to continue serving you guys, and I just ask everybody stay safe and stay healthy.
I just noticed how animated you are. I'm just kind of hanging out here like, don't move, Mike. It's a camera.
Yes.
If anything changes, we'll let you guys know, but for now, it's kind of business as usual. Go out there, play around with the customizer, and check out what rings you can come up with, and we're sending them out just like we normally would.
Thanks. Be safe.
Take care.